Hello guys, I'm recording, right? Okay, I am. We're trying out different champions basically. I can play Velvet every single game and win pretty much every single game. Or I can try other champions and win every single game. Looks like my top laner just got disconnected. What the heck? So I saw Quinn's for the summoner spell, I got Quinn's behind the enemy lines. I feel that that'll be so OP on jungler, because you can basically run the map super fast. I'm doing 2 clears into Scarecrow, by the way, and then probably ganking after that. So I'm gonna save my W here to use on Scarecrow. Nice. My team wasn't helping. Okay, he knows. This guy knows how to play jungle in this game map. Let's go ahead and pick up my boots. So this is drones I'm taking. I'm taking a Predator. To help me gank more in the early game. Imagine if I had the actual fighting role, maybe I would be able to fight him. Okay, that was my bad for sure. But I don't think he's gonna be here again, right? We got his flash, not too bad. Yikes, I wasn't able to kill him there. Man, this ultimate is busted. It doesn't cost me any fucking mana. I'm so funny. Good job, team. Holy shit, that was pretty good. Should be able to catch up. Holy shit, this is broken, dude. This is so gonna get nerfed. What the fuck? Okay. I'm so sorry for cursing again. Man, this is so difficult. So difficult to change these little hobbies, dude. Looks like my Paulina is dead. I'm not gonna be able to help him there.
Your ally has been slain.
Let's go ahead and pick up the Magi's here, because we're gonna be ganking non-stop basically this game. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Let's go ahead and clear to level 6 real quick.
Your ally has been slain.
Okay, he used his R and his Soul Chain. That was kind of bad for me though, because I lost the all my stacks on my Jai. We're officially level 6. I really need to be helping my my millionaire a lot sooner. Might be able to help him here. Hell yeah, dude. Okay, he's gonna think I'm not getting top, right? But now I'm ganking you, baby. If I hug the wall here, I should be able to not be seen by the Oh, he still saw me. Let's go ahead and use my jungle item on this real quick. I can help top lane here again. I can run down to bot on top laner. This is so crazy, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Man, this feels so OP on jungler, man. Feels so OP. Like right now, I see they fighting top lane. I proc my passive to run all the way to top. Holy shit!
Turret destroyed. Turret destroyed.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was out of mana, dude. Let's go ahead and gank mid again. Nice. We had 18 18 stacks now. Pretty big. We haven't shown our bot laner that much love, so let's go do that right now.
Enemy double kill.
And just as I said that, they just all died. I guess it will all depend on if they continue pushing this though, because if they do,
They didn't know what they were up against.
oh baby, don't kill me, baby.
That's one down.
So funny, dude. Okay, I have to use my my jungler item on this blue buff. Otherwise, it's gonna take too long, basically. Okay, now I have used that. I can. Ooh baby, ooh baby. I'm fast AF.
Killing spree. Your ally has been slain. Your ally's light's been extinguished. The sparkle
Should be able to heal from this because I'm pretty fed. He just wasted his ultimate. One of his ultimate at least. Let's go ahead and build towards I'm so fast, dude. He played up pretty well,
Smaller than the diagram.
but there's no match to Queen Jungle, baby. Holy smoke! I'm 25 stack too.
Your ally has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed.
Let's go use our
Turret
ultimate
destroyed.
in the top lane. Maybe bot lane. Yeah, I think bot lane is slightly better here. I really shouldn't be pushing anymore. I changed my mind again. This one towards top lane here. Holy smoke!
Triple kill.
God, big. Holy smoke! That was the best decision I ever made. What the heck was that? It was quadra kill. I think this ultimate alone ruined the game. Yep, should die from that. Let's get this. We can get this item and this to maximize our damage. So right now we have 700. Okay. Hey, he's dead. Wait.
So bummed out right now.
And I got one shot too. Ah. He used his ult. He used his ult. He used his ult. Full ult. Because she had Banshee, that we wasn't able to CC him in the beginning. Otherwise, it would be a perfect kill. Or if we had a Zhongya's Hourglass, then we did have time to price it. Nice. My team is doing work. Okay, I should be able to run towards this pretty damn fast. Oh god.
That's one way to beat both the people.
Man, Joy wasn't following my lead. That was pretty big. But did you guys see how fast I was going, running towards the enemy jungler? Oh god. Okay, we can afford our Zhongyan Hourglass now. So now she cannot just one-shot us like that. I have 20 seconds on my death timer. As you can see, my teammate isn't the most brilliant this game. At least we got a dragon though. And we're full build, so it will be ideal for us to end this game. Don't know where they went though. Let's heal back a little. It's so broken that it doesn't cost any mana to. Wow. I wasn't thinking they could kill me there. I should have zoomed out sooner. 100% my fault.
Is this my nightmare? Or yours? Just had
Oh, the other thing is, they probably could be building a lot of MR, right? Yeah, they are, because we are 4 AT. So I have to show all my items for penetration. So we can run towards this and out over the wall, maybe. My team guarding, I really should have used my hourglass there. Trying to dodge it with my instincts wasn't working. Let's go ahead and sell this and get my penetration, magic penetration. It will worth 10 times more now.
It's smaller than the diagram. The sweet smell.
We are closer. Come on, team. Come on. Maybe they can keep it here.
That's one down.
Kill him! Please! For the love of God! Jesus, dude. Okay, at least we got something out of it.
Enemy double kill.
And of course they just wanna int. Oh. Should be able to heal up somewhat. Hell yeah, dude. Fear into silence. His blue buff is up, so let's go ahead and take that. We're at full build. Let's just refresh our elixir real quick. Hell yeah, dude.
It's smaller than the diagram.
Okay, so that was wooden. Sorry, bud. Wasn't able to help you much.
Turret destroyed.
It's dark.
I inted, dude. Fuck. I didn't have my R up. I thought I had it up. Okay, maybe we can upgrade our boots, maybe? So like an MR boost or something for more self-defense. Nice, good job. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's upgrade it to a more expensive boots. MR. Okay, they have a lot of MR, but I want to grab some MR for myself too. Okay, one down. What? We didn't kill him there. Okay, at least my team's doing work. My team's doing work. I had like 2 seconds on my Zhongyang hourglasses. Maybe I should have sold it for a different item too. What is your hourglass? That was kind of bad by Joey, but it's okay. I think we're gonna be able to finish the game now. It's so much fun to play with the Queen's ultimate. If you are jungle then and you saw this Queen's passive, Queen's ultimate, please take it. Like, I'm not even kidding. This is that good. It's gonna be able to end you the game, win you the game. Ooh, GG! Holy smoke! I flashed to dodge one of the ability, and then I used my my mythic item, Rockabelle, to dodge another pole. But anyways, they will last it no matter what. But just so funny to see Fiddlestick running so fast. Another fish for trying the end at the end. That was pretty fun. Holy smoke! Let's check out the damage real quick. Of course, we'll deal the most in the game. So yeah, that was it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys next one. Peace. This is just for fun. Peace.